past couple of months, I've been using my sim account as the leader account on my FLOWBOTS Replikanto trade copying software. That's actually been working out great. When I have the multiple connections going on with Apex and Take Profit Trader and Tradeify, if any one of them drops out, the sim account still stays on as long as one of the accounts are open, so it doesn't mess with any of my trades on the trade copier. Just seems to work a little bit better too. And plus, when you start NinjaTrader up, if you've been using playback data or practicing at all, it loads up all your charts with your sim account automatically. So it's also nice to just never have to change this to any other account. It's just always loaded up with the sim account. So I'm taking my trades on the sim account, and then it's copying the trades to my actual Apex accounts and my Take Profit Trader account. It's a good thing to do if you're using a trade copier. The market is getting ready to open. We just had a triple signal on the King Renko setup, taking a break lower, popped down 30 points. I've got the 1 minute chart with the same setup over here. We had a triple signal back here on the 1 minute, pretty much in the same area. Again, we came down over 30 points. The market is open. Just got into a long. I got a horrible fill, but luckily it still worked out. We came right down to whole number. I was looking to take a bounce there. I hesitated, clicked the market buy button. Got a pretty bad fill up here, but still popped up instantaneously. Got my full 10 points, at least on the lead account. Looks like the followers got some varied fills. I forgot to sign into my Take Profit Trader account, so that's online now. I just got into another long. Saw we had some hesitation down here. We got this triple signal here, broke above the 20. We just pushed up 50 points very quickly. Got a bunch of positive delta coming in on that candle. I've got the markers plus in semi-automatic mode, so all I have to do is click on this long or short if I want it to auto fire. And then when I get these white arrows, it will place a limit order 2 points above or below. We did not get a move 2 points below this potential entry candle right here. So using that special limit order a certain distance away from the low and the high feature, that would have saved us from that trade. This is why I wait for confirmation. Wait for the signal, get the breakout 2 or 3 points lower or higher. Like right here, we would have had the limit order set right below. We just popped down about 20 points right after the break. So 3 signals this morning. There would have been 2 winners and 1 trade that never triggered. Probably should have just auto traded. I'd be up $400 and done. We rejected pretty hard right off the VWAP there. Came down over 40 points. Had a double signal back here on the 1 minute, closing above the 20 range VWAP. Taking a break higher, made it up 50 points to VWAP. Just got another triple signal. This would have fired. It just worked out. I'd wait for a breakout above the 20, which would have worked out too. 55 up to 93, almost 40 points after the breakout. It's the 3rd winner on the Renko chart, and we're not even 15 minutes in. This triple signal I would not be taking. Just had this big push up above VWAP. I would not want to get into a short here with VWAP and the 20 range VWAP right in the way. We'll see, the breakout was 14, so if we make it down to 604 or so, and there we have it. Would have got the full 10 points on that trade. 4th winning trade on the Renkos, King Renkos. Brick size of 55, reversal of 21, some Fibonacci numbers. Got a triple signal here, taking the break lower, would have worked. This is the 1 minute chart. Triple signal here, taking the breakout higher, that would have worked. Triple signal here, no breakout higher, no trade. It's working good on the 1 minute too. I just got into a long. I got my full 10 points. We had a bunch of delta coming in on this 1 minute candle. We had closed above VWAP here. Took a long, got 10 points. Looks like we just had a triple signal on the Renko. Another trade I would not be taking. Got VWAP right here. Just had this big push to the upside with all this delta. But this trade worked out as well. Pretty crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades and one trade that did not trigger. Although my own personal trading, me just doing my thing like I usually do, I am up 3 for 3 as well today. If I would have just traded regular NQ contracts, I'd be up 600 bucks. There's all different kinds of ways to be successful in trading. There's no one right way to do it. We had a 5 signal on this candle. This trade also worked out. After the breakout, came down over 10 points. The 6th winner, 1,200 bucks, trading one regular NQ contract. We have not had any more triple signals on the 1 minute chart. Just got into another long for the full 10 points. We are getting a hold up in the 50 area. I consider 50 and whole number to be key areas. Took the bounce trade, got 10 points. Just got another triple signal on the King Renko, and looks like another trade that would have worked out great. Taking the breakout 2 points higher at 80. We just made it up over 10 points. That's the 7th winner with 0 losers. And we are only right at 10 o'clock now. I'm pretty impressed. Between today and the one day that I back tested, my regular trading, I had forward tested for years and years before I found this core basic setup that I always came back to and always used, because it showed me repeated edge over and over and over the course of a very long time. Triple signal to the downside. Another trade that I would just not be wanting to take. We are above VWAP. Had some positive delta coming in. And yet another trade that worked out. Taking the break lower at 25. We just popped down 20 points. This thing's crushing it today. I think we finally got one losing trade on the Renko chart here. Taking a break above. Only came up about 6 points after this triple signal. We just got another one. This one worked out. So those two would have balanced themselves out to break even pretty much, besides commissions. We got a 5 signal back here on the 1 minute. Taking the break higher, moved up over 20 points. We just got another 5 signal on the 1 minute. Taking the break higher, we just got over 10 points. So the 1 minute signal counter has been crushing it today as well. I'm doing decently in my own trading. Taking the time to make these videos and describe all these different things that are happening during my 1 hour that I'm supposed to be laser focused and trading. It's definitely an interesting reality, but I've been enjoying it. I still am planning on getting into regular live streaming as well, at least trying it out for a little bit. I'm just waiting until I move to a different time zone. We just got 3 more winning trades with the signal counter on the Renko bars. Got a winner here. This trade did not trigger, did not break 2 points lower. Got 10 points there. Got 10 points there. No new signals on the 1 minute chart. I just realized I've got the wrong settings for the wick signals for the 1 minute chart. I copied the Renko chart wick settings, which are very different. And we also just had another winner on the Renko chart. 4 signal, break lower, came down about 20 points. So this is what the 1 minute chart should look like, not 50 different wick signals. Then I also had all of the other price action indicator signals turned off. My Renko setup is very different. I only use the wicks on the Renko. I don't use any of the other price action signals. They just don't have much meaning or correlate very well to the Renko charts, but the wick signals do. The King Renko chart today has been absolutely crazy. Just going back. So this was pre-market. Then after the market opened, we got 1 signal. This one did not trigger. 2 winners, 3 winners, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was a loser, so back to 7. This is a winner, back to 8, 9. This trade did not trigger. 10, 11, 12, 13 total. 13 times 10 points. So $2,600 trading 1 regular NQ contract. I guess I should just be an auto trader. It's 10:31. Gonna be done for the day. Gonna be happy with my 80 bucks per account. Besides the take profit trader account, I signed in a little bit late. Only got 60 on that one. So up around $300 after commissions. I think I was green every day this week. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Apex still has 80% off until March 4th. All the other prop firms have their own special deals going on as well. If you want to support the channel, you can use code MonkeyMan at Apex or Take Profit Trader or Tradeify or DayTraders. You get the best price possible, and my sincere gratitude. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yes, this last triple signal worked out. Taking the break lower, just popped down 30 points. Number 14.